Welcome all to another lesson from latoyasonlineacademy.com. Today we'll be continuing our lesson on money. How many 5-cent coins are there in 10 cents? How many 5-cent coins are there in 10 cents? Our hint would be to count in fives. I'm going to use smiley faces. You can use counters or your fingers to check. We are going to count in fives until we get to 10. 5, 10. So how many 5-cent coins are there in 10 cents? 1, 2. So there are 2 5-cent coins in 10 cents. How many 5-cent coins would there be in 25 cents? You see how we read this? This is $0.25. How many 5-cent coins are we going to get in 25 cents? We need to count in fives until we get to 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. How many 5-cent coins do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a total of 5 5-cent coins in 25 cents. How many 5-cent coins are there in 50 cents? What are we going to do? We are going to count in fives until we get to 50. Let's begin. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Again, I am using smiley faces, but you can use your fingers or you can use counters to check this. How many 5-cent coins do I have? I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 5-cent coins in 50 cents. How many 5-cent coins would there be in 75 cents? Again, we can count in fives until we get to 75. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. How many 5-cent coins do I have here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are a total of 15 5-cent coins in 75 cents. How many 5-cent coins are there in $1? We are going to count in fives and we are going to count in fives until we get to 100 cents. Let's begin. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now let's check and see how many counters we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there are a total of 25-cent coins in $1. This is very important to remember. However, if you ever forget, you can simply check it again. So there are 25-cent coins in $1. Now, if there are 25-cent coins in $1, how many 5-cent coins will there be in $2? There is no need for us to count in fives until we get to 200. What can we do? If there is a total of 25-cent coins in $1, then we can add 20 in $1 and 20 in the other dollar, and that will give us a total of 40. So that means there are 45-cent coins in $2. Now, this is repeated addition. So instead of adding 20 and 20 to get 40, we can multiply 20 by 2. Let's begin. 2 by 0 is 0. And then we're going to say 2 by 2 is 4. We are still getting 40. So there are a total of 45 cent coins in $2. How many 5-cent coins are there in $3? This is very easy. Why? Because I know how much 5-cent coins there are in $1. In $1, I have 25-cent coins. In $2, I'll have another 20, plus in $3, I'll have another 20 5-cent coins, which will give me a total of 60. Or instead of adding 23 times, I can simply multiply 20 by 3. 3 by 0 is 0, and 3 2s are 6. I am still getting 60, so there are a total of 65-cent coins in $3. How many 5-cent coins are there in $4? I know how much 5-cent coins are there in $4. I can either add 20 4 times. I can say 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20, and I am going to get 2, 4, 6, 8. See what I did there? I'm going to get 80. Or I can simply multiply 20. Instead of adding repeatedly, I can simply multiply 20 by how much? 4. 4 by 0 is 0, and 4 2s are 8. So I'm getting a total of 85-cent coins in $4. I am showing you how much easier it is to multiply 20 as opposed to adding 24 times. How many 5-cent coins would there be in $5? Instead of adding 20 5 times, I can simply multiply 20 by 5. 5 by 0 is 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0, and 5 2s are 10. So I'm getting a total of 100. So in $5, we have a total of 105-cent coins. Now let's look at this. We have $2 and 5 cents. $2 and 5 cents. How many 5-cent coins do I have in $2 and 5 cents? Now, how many 5-cent coins do I have in $2? I'm writing D. This is the dollar side and this is the cents side, okay? How many 5-cent coins do I have in $2? If you can't remember, you can work it out. Because I know there are 25-cent coins in $1. So in $2, it's going to be 20 by 2. 2 by 0 is 0, and 2 2s are 4. So there are 45-cent coins in $2. Now, how many 5-cent coins do I have in 5 cents? Let's count in 5s until we get to 5. Now, this technique is very easy. Let's count in 5s until we get to 5s using your fingers or counters. 5. How many counters do I have? 1. So we have 45-cent coins here plus 1 5-cent coin here. So what we need to do is add 40 plus 1 will give us 41. So we have a total of 41 5-cent coins in $2 and 5 cents. Now let's read the other one. We have $3 and 15 cents, and we want to find out how many 5-cent coins there are in $3 and 15 cents. You can work out the dollars part first and then the cents. So let's find out how many 5-cent coins are there in $3. Now we already know how many 5-cent coins there are in $1. There are 25-cent coins in $1. So to find out how many 5-cent coins there are in $3, we can simply multiply 20 by 3. 3 by 0 is 0, and 3 2s are 6. So we are getting a total of 65-cent coins in $3. Now we need to find out how many 5-cent coins there are in 15 cents. To do that, we can simply use our fingers or counters and count in 5s until we get to 15. 5, 10, 15. We are getting a total of 3. So it is going to be 60 plus 3. 60 plus 3 will give us a total of 63. So we have 63 5-cent coins in $3.15. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more lessons like this.